Good afternoon, this is Stephanie with Comfort Eagle. We are here at 895 Frank Kirk Road doing a rooftop inspection on a true architectural shingle. You called us out because you got a couple of leaking spots. So the first one is right over the door. Want to see if I could kind of figure out where that was coming in from. With this valley, honestly, it could be coming in just about anywhere. We'll kind of get into why I feel that way here in just a moment. But as you can see, the shingles themselves are laid on top of each other. Architecturals can be kind of tricky whenever you're laying them down. You need to make sure that you have a solid base underneath of them. Unfortunately, these are started to deteriorate and allowing debris to get back in behind. So this whole section here and here could really be a part of the problem. The water's just coming down from this valley, and wow, there it is, right there. So you see all this space here? Yeah, water's just getting back in here and it's getting into the home. So this whole valley will need to be pulled up, ice and watered. And unfortunately, the installation defects do not stop there. With an architectural shingle, the way that you should be laying them out is you should go all the way across the roof and then go up a line and go all the way across the roof. Unfortunately, that is not what has happened. What they did was they went up the roof with the shingles, and a really good example of that is on this back side over here. You see this line right here that goes all the way down the back side of the roof? There's another one right over there. It's because they racked the shingles, is what we call it, which means that the shingles don't lay down the way that they should. So as you can see all the way up through here, where these shingles are actually raised up more than they should be. So water is able to get back in and behind them just like this. So yeah, it was just poor installation, honestly. So then I wanted to take a look around, see if I could find any storm related damage. You got a good bit of that. Just on this back slope, I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, looks like 11 impact points where it appears as though hail has come down and just pushed the granules right into the asphalt. Over time, what will happen is that the wind and the rain will continue to wash these away, the granules, exposing that asphalt and fiberglass. Asphalt fiberglass, not waterproof. So water is able to get back in and behind. But after watching the video, I have a really good feeling that it's getting in from where they kind of racked these shingles going all the way down. You also have quite a few nail pops where over time the nails start to shimmy their way out if they weren't installed correctly. And so as you can see here, this nail is actually already started to oxidize, which means that water is getting in and around this. Penetrates all the way through into the decking on the other side. And I counted 1, 2, like 4 of them just on this slope. And then as we head over to this side over here, got much the same. So a whole lot of nail pops where they've actually just punctured holes right into the shingles themselves. This is definitely letting water in. We got another one here, another one up there, another one here. And again, really good example of the racking and how it causes the shingles to kind of lift up and move around where they shouldn't be. So then I found more hail damage, our impact points to the front slope, facing to the east. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them just on this slope alone. Got another 7 just here on this little section. And you can actually see on your soft metals where it has impacted the soft metals and kind of hit down, dinging things up as it came through. So yeah, fortunately this roof has taken a beating. So I'll be down in just a minute so I can help you guys avoid the nightmares and the headaches associated with expensive interior damage. Thanks.